What is up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds. Today we're going to work on the Beetle. She needs a full maintenance job today. But we got a big storm Francis going over Holland, over the Netherlands. So what we need to do is throw some covers over the Sea-Doo, then get this Beetle inside the shop, and then change out the oil, change out the plugs, and a few other minor things. So let's go! Okay guys, so this is what we're going to do on the Beetle. We need to change out the air filter, cabin filter, spark plugs, oil filters, belts, new brake disc. We already changed out the disc brakes on this Beetle, but unfortunately they were from low Chinese quality, so they are already curved. So we decided to buy new Brembo ones, original quality. Also need to change out the oil as well. At JK Rebuild, if you got any tips on working on these Beetles, please let us know in the comments down below. And by the way guys, what do you think of our great banner up on the wall? Please let us know in the comments down below. And now it's time to get our hands dirty and change out the oil. We are already having our first problem with getting the protection shield off. We totally twisted the nuts on the protection bottom plate, so we need to weld a nut on to get that sucker off. Okay guys, so we changed out the oil, we changed out the oil filter. This is just the basic 1.6 VAG engine, which means it sits in the Beetle, it sits in the Golf, it sits in Skodas, it sits in Seat, and many other VAG models. So if you got any questions about this maintenance job, please let us know and we will get back to you as soon as possible. So the next thing that we need to do is change out the auxiliary belt. And as you can see, it's very tight here. So this is going to be a fun job, guys. Not. By the way, guys, if you like our videos, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And don't forget those post notifications so you will be up to date of all new videos. And by the way guys, always make a drawing or a picture so you always know how the auxiliary belt goes on. Another pain of these 1.6s are their spark plugs. These are nicely hidden underneath the inlet manifold, so that's going to be another challenge. So we changed out the spark plugs as well. The last step that we need to do is change out the air filter, and then we're all done for the motor part. So we changed out the oil, changed out the oil filter, changed out the spark plugs, changed out the air filter as well. So now it's time to start her up and see if she will run. She runs like a champ. Now it's time to remove the disc brakes and throw some new ones on her. So we changed the discs as well. Now the final part that we need to do is change out the cabin filter and change out the interior blower as well, because that one is making sound. But first I need to wash my hands, otherwise the whole complete interior will get dirty. So before installing the glove compartment again, we're first going to check if it's running again. Everything is working perfectly. So what we're going to do now is reinstall the glove compartment, then remove the top, because we still, as last, need to change out the cabin filter. Okay guys, so everything is done on this Beetle. She got some TLC. So that is the end of this video. With that being said guys, if you liked our videos, make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. Also make sure that your post notifications are on as well. As always guys, thanks for watching and hopefully see you guys in the next video.
Hope they won't shoot me down soon.